Today we are finally going to take one of the most famous train rides of Sri Lanka, and we'll also take an attempt at the famous poses which you may have seen floating online. Trisha and Nikhil and our shared passion for travel has got us traveling full time with a goal to visit 100 countries. In the past few days of crossing through the highlands of Sri Lanka, we have experienced the immense natural beauty of this country, and today we'll get to experience it in one of the most talked about manners. It's train going from Nuwara Eliya to Ella. If you haven't yet, then smash that subscribe button to travel the world with us. Just packing the last few things.
Today's breakfast comprises of some ready-made noodles, some cup noodles. We've also had milk and some cereal, but we also wanted to try this.
Looks very bland though, from the looks of it.
That's a very different flavor. I don't understand. It's a fiery seafood flavor. There's nothing fiery about it. It has a sweet flavor to it, right?
I like it.
You do?
Yeah.
We're saying bye to this place and carrying the stuff to the van now. Our van is here. I guess our luggage has already been taken to the van. This is the last time we are climbing these stairs. He has been super helpful. This guy manages the entire place.
We really felt at home here, and that is very special to us. Thank you so much.
Bye.
This is so much fun. Thank you.
Bye bye. So this is our van and we are on our way to Nanu Oya.
Yep, from Nanu Oya we'll be going to Ella, the most iconic route as they say, and we're really looking forward to it.
It's around 11:15, 11:20 and we have reached Nanu Oya. Looks like a remote railway station.
Hi. Bye. See you. Thank you. We were actually very concerned about where we were gonna keep our luggage, and finding this place to keep our luggage, it feels we're a little relieved about that. So
Yeah, it was not come out. The tire was not fixing it.
yeah, so suitcases are all set. ठीक है. Thank you. And we have samosas now. So right when we stepped into the train, we were just shooting for some content, and we met the most amazing person from Kuala Lumpur who's also traveling, and she's told us so much about the place already. And the next place that we are going to is Malaysia, so we are really looking forward.
This was such a happy meeting scenario. I love the fact that we met you, and we're really looking forward to meet you in Kuala Lumpur.
Yes, I'm here with my father.
the start to this journey was by meeting this amazing person. Her name is Liz, and she was just, her story is so inspiring that we kept talking to her and really forgot how time was going. Now
It's 2:10 almost.
it's 2:10 and the train was supposed to move by 1:50. It's still here at the platform. So let me just quickly show you now how the train looks like from inside. Because this area you must have seen in a lot of pictures, the famous pose and everything. But let me show you how this looks from inside.
This is a second class reserved seat train.
Yeah, and there are a lot of seats that are available.
Yeah. We're sitting here, 4039.
And we get like a nice window, so I am happy about that. So yeah, this is what the train looks like. The washroom for the train, it's not the cleanest, but otherwise everything else is perfect.
The train just started moving and she's on video call with family.
Yeah, we're super excited. The train started moving, but it took so much time.
It's 2:30.
Hanji, Masi? Did not want to throw that ticket away.
Right after stepping out of the train, we found out that our shuttle that was supposed to come hasn't yet. At least we were not able to find it anywhere. We tried calling the hotel. They did not answer. So instead of getting panicky about it, we just found the first restaurant that was near to us, which looked fine. And we sat down to eat something because that's most important. We haven't had a proper meal after the morning noodles and like some milk. So we are having, and this is the first time we are having kotu. We are having chicken kotu over here, and Trisha is going to start, and she's going to tell us how it is.
This is so good.
Yeah.
Tastes like fried rice. Wow. It's like crunchy fried rice.
Yeah.
It's very nice, very nice. We eat roti in India very often, so I'm gonna definitely go back whenever we go back. I'm gonna definitely try to make this at home. This is so good.
So we just realized that the reason why the shuttle was not here was because we had booked on the same date as today, 12th of next month. I don't know how it happened, how like perhaps while booking the app may have shifted the months or whatever. It was our mistake in the end that we did not check, and we had confirmed the hotel booking for 12th of May instead of 12th of April, which is today. And we could have gotten that hotel, which is a very good hotel, but since it's today itself, it's all booked. We could have, if we would have booked 3 days ago, it was available, but of course it's not available for.
And they
today.
stopped, actually the lady told me that they stopped all the bookings like around 3 days ago only from all the external platforms because very simply because tomorrow is the Tamil Sinhala New Year, so everybody is coming. There's so many people who are coming over here. I feel a little funny. The day was going so well, and then
It's still going well, but while we were eating at this restaurant, we figured out that we don't have a booking today at any place right now. So we're trying to figure that out. We've talked to a few places. We're waiting for a response anytime. And if we don't get a response anytime soon, we have certain places like
that
saved
we have, yeah, kind of.
in the apps. We'll
Because-
book one of those. In any
So-
case, we'll keep you updated of what happens.
For now, we don't have a place to stay. So we just got a call from another hotel, and it is kind of near to the one that we were going to stay at earlier. Now we have no idea how this is gonna be. Usually we wouldn't do such a thing. We would like read at least so many reviews and do so much research before booking a place, or like at least a little bit of research. Let's not say so much research, but at least a little bit of research. But over here we did not do that, so we'll go check out the place. If we like it, we'll stay for 3 nights that we are here, and if we do not like it, we'll just book it for 1 day, and then tomorrow we'll book another place. So that's the plan right now. We are really hoping that we like the place so that we don't have to shift.
I'm good.
This is our homestay. This is the place that we have come to. The person finally was able to come and pick us up from the railway station, and this was very, very last minute. Literally did not know what we were supposed to expect, but we just came in, and the view from here, honestly, it looks very promising. I know you can't see anything. I promise to show you the view in the morning, but for now this is more like a homestay, and the people over here, the family that owns this stay, they are a lovely and a very adorable family. Yeah, so I think this place looks really nice, since it's a very personal space, like a personal room, a little away from their main room. There's only one room available here right now. They've only built one room over here, and they prepared it at very last minute because they weren't really expecting us. And the best part is that they were very sweet enough to come and pick us up from the railway station as well. So yeah, all in all, I'll give you a quick room tour. So this is our homestay here in Ella. We have on my right we have this nice dressing table, and then we have this coffee table right here and a bed. So this entire setup, it's very simple yet very cute, and we literally have a new clothing rack right here. It has its plastic on. Then coming to the washroom, this is a part that I like about this place. It's a nice, it's a big washroom, and it has geyser and everything, so everything we need. Then it also has a small mirror, and yeah, pretty much has everything that we require over here. So I promised to show you the view from here tomorrow morning. Right now even I haven't seen it, since it's like nothing is visible right now, it's all just black. And yeah, we'll both experience the view from here tomorrow morning, and we are all hoping that it's good. I hope. We really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.
अरे बाहर लटक